Good morning, everyone. As the sun rises on another winter day, we find ourselves facing a world transformed by the forces of nature. It's the end of January 2026, and Mother Nature is showing us her extremes. Across continents, weather is rewriting the rules of daily life. In the UK, relentless rain has turned rivers into lakes, and streets into canals. Familiar places are now unrecognizable, submerged beneath murky water. Sandbags are everywhere, but for many, it's a last-ditch effort to keep homes dry. The water seeps in, testing every barrier and every ounce of hope. Emergency crews are in boats, navigating what used to be neighborhoods. Streets have become waterways, and rescue teams work tirelessly to reach those stranded by the rising flood. Families move belongings upstairs, hoping floodwaters don't reach them. Every trip up the stairs is a gamble, a race against the relentless advance of water. The ground is saturated. Even a short rain has nowhere to go. Fields and drains overflow, and the land itself seems to be drowning. Meanwhile, in the US, a brutal polar vortex has locked cities in a deep freeze. The air bites at exposed skin, and the world outside feels hostile and alien. Chicago, Minneapolis, and even southern cities are frozen solid. Snow blankets everything, and palm trees in the south stand stiff and white, a surreal sight. Pipes burst, cars won't start, and the world is painted white and blue. The cold creeps into homes, and daily routines grind to a halt. Emergency services check on vulnerable residents battling frostbite and power outages. Volunteers deliver blankets and food, braving the elements to help those in need. In the UK, it's a fight against rising water. In the US, it's a siege of biting cold. Both nations are united by struggle, separated only by the form it takes. Both landscapes are beautiful, but dangerous. One drowned, one frozen. The scenery is breathtaking, but every step outside carries risk. The contrast is staggering, a world of water versus a world of ice. It's a reminder of nature's power to shape our lives in unexpected ways. Both sides are struggling to keep daily life going. Commuters wade through water or trudge through snow, determined to reach work or school. It's a test of resilience, patience, and community spirit. Neighbors help neighbors, sharing resources and hope, proving that adversity can bring out the best in us. Nature's extremes have put life on pause. Streets are empty, schools and businesses shuttered, and the world waits for the storms to pass and for normalcy to return. Yet, even in the midst of chaos, there is hope. As the first rays of sunlight break through the clouds, communities look forward to rebuilding, stronger and more united than before. The UK forecast? More rain, more wind, and little relief ahead. As unsettled weather continues to dominate, the nation faces another week of relentless downpours and gusty conditions. For many, it's starting to feel like the rain simply won't let up, with gray skies and wet streets becoming the new normal across much of the country. A persistent jet stream is funneling storm after storm straight at the British Isles. The Met Office has issued amber warnings for rain and wind, real danger for life and property. These warnings aren't just for show, they signal a genuine risk, urging people to take extra care as the weather turns increasingly hazardous. The jet stream's position means that each new system brings the threat of more flooding, travel disruption, and power outages. Rivers are overflowing and strong winds threaten power lines and roads. In Scotland's Highlands, heavy wet snow adds to the chaos. Across England and Wales, swollen rivers are spilling into fields and towns, while gale-force winds have already caused damage to trees and infrastructure. The combination of rain, wind, and snow is making travel treacherous and daily life increasingly difficult for many. Emergency services are stretched thin, moving from one crisis to the next. The pattern isn't breaking. Each new storm adds to the misery. Crews are working around the clock to respond to flooded homes, stranded vehicles, and downed power lines. For many communities, the constant threat of severe weather is taking a toll on both resources and morale. Communities brace for more flooding, canceled trains, and battered infrastructure. Residents are stacking sandbags, checking flood defenses, and preparing for further disruption. With roads washed out and rail services suspended, getting around is a challenge, and repairs will take time even after the storms pass. The message: stay vigilant, be prepared, and know this isn't over. The battle with the elements continues, and everyone is urged to keep up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings. As the weather remains unpredictable, taking precautions now could make all the difference in staying safe through the storms ahead. In the U.S., the polar vortex has unleashed a deep freeze across much of the country, sending temperatures plummeting to levels rarely seen in recent years. This Arctic blast has swept down from the north, gripping entire regions in its icy hold and transforming daily life almost overnight. Meteorologists are calling it one of the most severe cold snaps in decades, with millions of Americans feeling its effects. Temperatures are 30 to 50 degrees below average, with wind chills as low as -50. In some places, exposed skin can freeze in just minutes. Emergency alerts urge people to stay indoors, as the risk of frostbite and hypothermia rises dramatically. The cold is relentless, and the wind only makes it feel more brutal. This cold isn't moving anytime soon, straining power grids and freezing pipes. Utility crews are working around the clock to restore electricity, while families huddle near heaters, hoping their pipes don't burst. The demand for energy is skyrocketing, putting extra pressure on already stressed infrastructure. Everyday life is disrupted, schools closed, flights canceled, and mail delivery suspended. Businesses are shuttered, playgrounds stand empty, and travel plans are thrown into chaos. Communities are coming together to help the most vulnerable, but the challenges are mounting as the cold lingers. Any moisture meeting this Arctic air could trigger major snowstorms and blizzards. Cities brace for heavy snowfall, with plows working non-stop to keep roads clear. Visibility drops to near zero, and the threat of dangerous ice makes every step outside a risk. Whiteout conditions make travel dangerous if not impossible. Emergency responders are stretched thin, rescuing stranded motorists and helping those caught in the storm. Authorities urge everyone to stay off the roads unless absolutely necessary. The cold's persistence is what makes it so disruptive. Day after day, snow piles up and ice thickens, making recovery slow and difficult. Residents shovel driveways again and again, while icicles grow longer with each passing night. Even in a modern world, we're at the mercy of nature's extremes. Technology and preparation can only do so much when faced with such relentless cold. The storm tests the limits of our infrastructure and our resilience. The deep freeze is a stark reminder of our vulnerability. As families gather indoors and cities appear frozen in time, we're reminded that despite all our advancements, nature still holds the upper hand when it decides to show its power. Behind the forecasts are real stories of courage and community. Emergency responders and volunteers work around the clock, rescuing families from floodwaters. Farmers scramble to save livestock and livelihoods as fields disappear underwater. Neighbors check on the vulnerable, set up shelters, and help each other through the chaos. Families pack go bags, try to keep children calm, and adapt to canceled school days. The struggle is exhausting, but community spirit shines through. It's a test of patience, resilience, and solidarity. In the darkest moments, people come together. The human response is as powerful as the storm. In the U.S., utility workers and snowplow drivers are the unsung heroes. They brave the cold to keep power on and roads clear, working non-stop in dangerous conditions. Communities open warming centers and check on the vulnerable. Neighbors help each other shovel driveways and share supplies. Families adapt to snow days with indoor activities and remote work. People focus on the basics, staying warm, safe, and connected. The deep freeze forces life to slow down and turn inward. Survival depends on community and preparation. Floods in Britain and blizzards in America bring travel to a standstill. UK rail lines are submerged, roads closed, and commuters stranded. In the US, ice and snow make roads treacherous and airports chaotic. Schools and workplaces shut down, creating childcare crises and lost wages. Remote work helps some, but many jobs can't be done from home. The economic and personal costs are massive. Both countries are forced to adapt, wait, and endure. The weather dictates the rhythm of life. It's a humbling shared experience. Nature reminds us who's in charge. The economic fallout is severe and far-reaching. In the UK, flooded farms mean lost crops, damaged equipment, and food supply concerns. In the US, energy demand spikes, utility bills soar, and frozen pipes cause costly damage. Transportation and logistics grind to a halt, disrupting supply chains and businesses. Homeowners face insurance nightmares and expensive repairs. Small businesses lose revenue, tourism and construction stall. The financial and emotional toll is immense for families and communities. Our prosperity depends on stable weather. Extremes threaten everyone. The cost of inaction is clear. Weather extremes leave no one untouched. Satellite images reveal the forces behind these extremes. For the UK, a powerful jet stream is locked in, sending storm after storm across the Atlantic. Water vapor imagery shows plumes of moisture fueling relentless rain. The models agree, no end in sight for the UK's stormy pattern. In North America, a disrupted polar vortex has unleashed Arctic air far south. Temperature maps show a massive, persistent cold dome. Forecasts warn of more snowstorms where cold meets moist air. Both regions face prolonged, severe weather. The maps tell a story of extremes with no quick fix. Relief isn't coming soon for either the UK or the US. Britain faces more rain and flooding. America, more cold and snow. These aren't isolated events, they're signs of a new normal. Scientists warn that climate change is fueling more intense storms and cold snaps. Communities show resilience, but infrastructure and economies are strained. We need to adapt, better flood defenses, stronger power grids, smarter planning. The human spirit is strong, but the challenge is growing. Nature is sending a clear message. Are we listening? The weather isn't waiting for us to be ready. That's the world we face now.